Welcome! If you're looking to copy a profile link on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily grab and share your Snapchat profile link with friends or followers. This is a great way to connect with others and invite them to see your snaps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Once you're in the app, navigate to the profile you want to share. This could be a friend's profile, or even your own. When you've located the desired profile, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upward. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This will open a menu with various options for sharing. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Copy Link. Tapping on this will copy the profile link to your clipboard. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure you have the link ready for sharing. Now that you've copied the link, you can easily paste it anywhere you like, be it in a chat, a text message, or even on other social media platforms. This allows you to connect with friends and invite them to follow your Snapchat adventures. And that's it. You've successfully copied a profile link on Snapchat. This quick and easy process can help enhance your interactions on the platform and make it simpler for others to find you. So, whether you're promoting your own profile or sharing a friend's, you're now equipped to do it effortlessly. Happy sharing!